Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Ready for today's GK class? Shall we go to the class? Do you remember what we are learning? We are learning about shapes and patterns. Do you remember what we learned in last class? We learned in detail about 5 shapes. Shall we recall that? It is in page number 51 in your book. Page number 51 in your book. What is the shape? It has 4 sides. It has 4 corners. This is a square. This is a square. Can you recall the examples that I showed you for a square? 50-50 biscuit is an example for a square. Then I showed you a square clock and also chocolates. Dairy milk chocolate, it is a bar chocolate with so many squares, small squares in it. Okay, these are all examples for a square. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Shall we go to the next one? What shape is this? This is a circle. It does not have any sides. It does not have any corners. No sides, no corners. This is a circle. This is a circle. Can you recall some of the examples for a circle? Your clock. The clock in your house is more or less, it will be a circle. Okay, then your football is a circle, and the common thing which girls wear in the hand, bangles are circle shaped. What shape is this? It has got 3 sides and 3 corners. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Can you say some examples for a triangle? A signboard. I showed you a signboard which is triangle in shape, and a bookshelf which is triangle in shape. Okay. What shape is this? This is a rectangle. It has got 4 sides and 4 corners, but it is different than a square. In square, all the 4 sides are equal in length. Okay, but in rectangle, 2 sides are equal. The next 2 opposite sides are equal. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Some examples of a rectangle. We have seen a flag. A flag is rectangle in shape. A blackboard is rectangle in shape, and a cardboard box will be rectangle in shape. The 5th shape that we learned is a hexagon. This is a hexagon. This is a hexagon. It has got 6 sides and 6 corners. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. The best example for hexagon is a honeycomb. I showed you a honeycomb. The honeycomb has 6 sides and 6 corners. The honeycomb has 6 sides and 6 corners. So the honeycomb is hexagon shaped. And also I showed you a nut. Did you ask your father? You all asked your daddy to show you a nut? A nut has 6 sides and 6 corners. A nut is a hexagon. A nut is a hexagon. We will go to today's class. You all know this shape, right? What is this? This is a star. This is a star. You all are familiar with the star. Okay, this is a star. We will see some examples for a star. What is this? This is star shaped, but it is a fish. This is starfish. This is starfish. It looks similar to a star. A starfish is star shaped. A starfish is star shaped. So starfish is an example for a star. Starfish is an example for the star shape. What is this? Girls are able to identify. They are earrings, right? They are earrings which you put in your ears. What is the shape of the earring? It is a star shaped earring. It is a star shaped earring. This is an example for a star shape. Okay, so starfish and star shaped earrings are examples for the shape star. Okay, I hope you are clear with the star shape. We'll go to the next one. What shape is this? You all are familiar with this. This is heart shape. What is this? This is heart. This is heart shaped. But we have learnt in our internal organs, right? This is not exactly like how our heart looks. Our heart looks different. It has got 4 chambers, but generally we say this as a heart shape. Okay, this is heart shape. Okay, we'll see some examples for heart shaped things. What is this? This is a clock. This is the clock. What is the shape of the clock? We have seen square shaped clock. We have seen circle shaped clock. This is a heart shaped clock. You can see the clock which is heart shaped. Okay, are you able to appreciate the shape? Yes, this is a clock, heart shaped clock. What is this? These are balloons. These are balloons. What are the shape? What is the shape of these balloons? Yes, they are heart shape. So these balloons are examples for heart shape. These are heart shaped balloons. Heart shaped balloons. Okay, we'll go to the next shape. What shape is this? Can you identify? I gave introduction about this in last class. This is diamond shape. This is diamond. The shape is diamond. This may be a new word for you. This is diamond, which has got 4 sides, 4 corners, but it is different from a square. You will be able to appreciate the difference, right? This is a diamond. This is a diamond. We'll see some examples for diamond shape. What are these? Again, these are earrings. These are earrings. What is the shape of the rings? They are diamond shaped earrings. These are diamond shaped earrings. So diamond shapes earrings are examples for the shape diamond. We will go to the next example. What is this? Can you see? This is a ring. This is a ring. What is the shape of the ring? You see a diamond shape, right? This is a diamond shaped ring. Diamond shaped ring. So diamond shaped earrings, diamond shaped rings are example for your shape diamond. Go to the next one. What shape is this? This is oval shape. This is oval shape. This is oval shape. Have you seen this shape? Oval shape. The name is oval. This is also a new name. Say along with me. Oval. This is not circle. This is oval. Oval shape. We will see some examples for oval shape. Can you tell me what this is? This is a mirror. This is a mirror. You all see your mirror when you go out of your house. You dress yourself and look into the mirror. What is the shape of this mirror? It is a oval shaped mirror. This is a oval shaped mirror. This is a oval shaped mirror. This is an example for oval shape. We'll go to the next example. What is this? Have you seen this? This is an egg. This is an egg. What is the shape of the egg? This egg is oval in shape. This egg is oval in shape. So egg is an example for oval shape. This is an egg and it is oval in shape. We'll go to the next shape. Can you count the number of sides and corners and tell me how many sides are there? How many corners are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many sides are there? 5 sides and 5 corners are there. So the name of this shape is pentagon. The name of this shape is pentagon. The name of the shape is pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Now we'll see some examples for a pentagon. Have you seen this sign anywhere? It is a school zone sign. The sign is school zone sign. You can see so many signboards in the road, and if you come near a school, you can see this sign. This is a school zone sign. What is the shape of this sign? It has got 5 sides and 5 corners. So the sign is pentagon. The school zone sign is a pentagon shaped. We'll go to the next one. The best example for a next pentagon shaped thing, this is a common one which you see in your house. Okay, next time when you see your mother cutting this vegetable, tell her to show you so that you can appreciate the shape. What vegetable is this? It is green in color. This is a lady's finger. This is a lady's finger. If you cut the lady's finger, you can see 5 sides and 5 corners. So a lady's finger is pentagon shaped. A lady's finger is pentagon shaped. So you see that daily it is available in your home. You should not forget that the lady's finger has pentagon shape. We'll go to the last shape that we are going to learn today. What is this? You all are familiar with this. This is not a new name for you. This is a cone. This is a cone. Are you able to appreciate the difference between triangle and cone? A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. You can see cone, only 2 sides are there. Next one is curved. Okay, it has got only 2 sides. Cone. This is a cone. This is a cone. You will be able to give me some examples of a cone. The first and best example that you all remember is a cone ice. This is a cone ice. A cone ice is the best example for a cone shaped object. This is a cone ice. This is a cone ice. Cone ice is cone shaped. Okay, we'll go to the next one. What are these? These are party hats. Okay, you have seen this in the bakery, right? When you go and get your cake for birthday cake, when you get birthday cake, you will see this in the bakery, right? These are cone shaped party hats. These are cone shaped party hats. So these party hats are cone shaped. These party hats are cone shaped. So the examples for cone are cone ice and party hats. So today we have learned 6 shapes: star, heart, diamond, oval, pentagon and cone. Okay, so I want you to learn the names of all the shapes, and you should be able to say one example for all the shapes. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.